Today I will share with you what is dynamic range and why do we use dynamic range. First, if you have a data like this one, a list of data, then you want to monitor only the last few items. Then how can you systematically measure only the last few items that you want is only plotted on the graph. So for example, you have a very long list of data and then when you plot on the graph, you see something like this one. In fact, you want to see only a few at the back. So how can you do that? Today I will share with you how can we use the dynamic range to plot only the few items at the last of the list so that your data can be easily seen and it's not so complicated. So the main function we use in dynamic range is offset. Now I will show you step by step how do we use the offset to create a dynamic range. So first our data is date operation and then 4 items. Okay. So we want to have the last 9 items of the list. So for example, now I have until 120. So I want to have last 9 items of this one. Okay. Alright. So first we use this count to calculate what is the how many is the row of data that we have. So first you can see that if we use the count. Okay, then what is count? Count, you have this count A arithmetic means this will count all any type of information. So for example, the range that contain a formula or empty string, it will count everything that is not empty. And if you use the count means it will count only the number. So for example, I change now to count without the A, then you can see the value is different, 120. But if use count arithmetic, then we will have 121. So this is what we want. We want everything because we have this header here. Okay. So this is the first step. And then second thing, I have 9 items here. We start from 0 because the last item is the 0 position. And negative 1 means you are shifted 1 row above. So if we using this list of number, then this is easier for us to create a big range of this dynamic range. Means you can have many columns. But if you have one only, the item A, for example, here, you can actually use this column D, referring to this column D, and then this one, the column you need to put as 0 because now you are actually referring to this column. Okay, so this one will be same. And then if you for this one you change to offset E, then for this one you need to change, otherwise your reference will be different because it actually offset from your reference to the number of columns. Okay, so this is something you need to pay attention when you use the formula. So this is very important, you have the correct reference. And one more thing is this one, DD. So this will count everything in column D. Okay, because now you don't know how many data in D. So the easiest way is to put like this one. And from here you can just plot your graph, and you can easily see only the last will be plotted. Okay. So if I add another number and below just to prove that we will have this dynamic range. So for example, I have 1000. Okay, we just simply put any number. Okay. So now you can see I have a few item update here. This one is 0 because I did not put anything in column B and C. Okay. So this is the usefulness of the offset function in helping us to create a dynamic range. What if you want the last 20 items? So I'll just show you how can we do it quickly. Then if you want the last 20 means you need to put negative 19 here. And all the way until 0. So for this one, it's still the same, referring to this the last cell. Okay, then you can just drag. Okay, boom. Okay, so you now have the thing done. Okay, so for example, I still put this another value here just to see the difference. Okay. So now you can see it's updated with the data that we want. But this one is oh, okay, this one just now I drag, so I need to change the format back. Okay, so now you can see all the value is the same. So if you want 100, maybe not so much. If you want the 10 or 20, then you just adjust the list accordingly, and you can easily plot the graph from your dynamic table. Then you have your graph updated. So for this one, my table, I need to adjust the range because I using this pivot table, so I need to change the range from here to here. Okay, now it's updated. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.